So here we are in our preparation plant here, and today we'll take you through our manufacturing process. So this is new sections, roughly 9,000 square feet. We built this early 2020, and it's part of a major investment plan that we've had for the last 2 years. We've invested massively in automation, to help us with our flexibility and our speed of delivery. So everything that comes here to the preparation plant goes through the full process of our 5 plants to finally, be assembled and shipped to our clients. All our products are, developed, designed, manufactured, painted, assembled here, tested, and we're really proud of it. We got a great team. We got over 100,000 square feet. So, we've set ourselves up in the last few years to make a difference and find solutions that are sustainable, and we're happy about it. This is the first step of our preparation plant, of our manufacturing process. We start and we load all the steel sheets in our storage system for laser cutting. So what we do is we got a beast out here. This is a 12th machine. We can load it with 100,000 pounds of steel, and it can run for 16 hours. So that's one of the upsides, is that we can leave on a Friday night and load it, and we come back on a Monday morning and we got 16 hours of cutting ahead of us. We start the week on the right foot and we're productive. So the acquisition of the state-of-the-art laser cutting technology serves 2 purposes for us. First thing, we want to increase our productivity. Second thing, we want to pursue the automation of our manufacturing process. So by doing that, we take care of those 2 things. Second aspect that's very important to us is we want to acquire the state-of-the-art technology or cutting-edge technology to deliver the same thing out there on the markets. We want reliable equipment, and this investment allows us to do that. With multiple plasma cutters and laser cutters, Machinex is self-sufficient and able to prepare the most meticulous pieces required to build our sorting equipment. Moving along with our preparation process, our steel pieces need to be bent precisely before moving on to the welding. As you can see here, this is a new acquisition for us this year, and it's one of our 4 press brakes. So a Machinex project always comes with its load of customizable equipment and parts. Recently, we have transitioned to digitally controlled equipment for machining and save time in the process. For example, we have the lathe, which allows us to turn a steel rod into a screen shaft. We also have the milling, which to us is very useful in the process of machining very precise parts for optical sorters. Those are just a few examples, but we've seen tremendous results. So here we are, we're setting foot in our final assembly plant. This plant was built part of our wave of investment that we did from 2018 to 2020. So this is where we get everything fresh from the paint shop, from the painting facility. We got 9 working stations. So set the material and we do the final assembly and testing. As you can see around here, I'm surrounded by Seal Blue. This is Machinex, this is us, we're proud of it. We got conveyors here, we got a baler down there. There's a robot coming up there. So this is the final assembly and then sent off to our client's facility. I got a fun fact for you actually. When we look overhead, we got 2 overhead cranes, and the interesting part is we've had an increase in demand for our balers in the last few years. So we usually had a traditional crane come out, pick up the baler, set it on the transport. Now we're saving a lot of time because we just pick it up with those 2 massive overhead cranes, set it on transport, and it's off to our client's facility. So that's one of the ways that we're making, strides moving forward, and we're trying to deliver a great product. Everything is built here in Plessisville in Quebec, Canada. We're proud of it. So that kind of concludes our tour. We were happy to have all of you guys along with us, and we hope you've learned 1 or 2 things about us here at Machinex.